Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and welcome you all to Zero to Hero series of Rainbow Dot Mandala. We will start with yellow in this canvas. And excuse me for my throat, I had extreme throat infection and hence I left a little gap in uploading videos to my channel. And I think I'm a little better to talk, so I thought I'll upload a video today. So this is 14.6 centimeters is the diameter. So I have measured the compass for some 7.3, that's the radius. I'm trying to figure out the center. Now the center is found. I'm going to draw some random circles. Smaller circles are always a challenge for me, so I normally rotate only the painting surface. I want to draw a line that divides all the circle into half. Now I'm going to mark angles at 30, 60, 90, that is every 30 degrees. 0 and 180 falls here. This is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180 is here. So 210, 240, 270, 300 and 330. Now I'll connect the dots. Somehow I feel like adding one more circle, so let me add. I'll start with lemon yellow dot in the center. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in chrome yellow. I'll keep a dot and then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep some golden yellow dots. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes for every dot that I kept. Now I'll keep some dots in pearl golden yellow. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes again. Now I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. When you keep plumpy dots and make them into swipes, you need to be a little slow. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in lemon yellow. I'll keep some dots in pearl golden yellow. I'm sure this simple dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.